welcome to Bigfoot Fishing School. Today I will teach you the ancient art of fishing with your bare hands. Let me show you how it's done. The first step is to enter the water slowly and carefully. The rocks can be quite slippery. Whoa, see what I mean? Here, I see the perfect fish. Here I am. Damn it. This kid turned out to be faster than I thought. Guys, they're smarter than they look. Well, that was great. It's time to dry off a bit before the second round. It's good that I have such a thick fur coat.
Now the most difficult thing is to remain motionless, like a statue. Pisces thinks I'm just another rock.
The most difficult thing right now is to stay still. Pisces thinks I'm just another rock. I can see them swimming right between my legs. The most difficult thing right now is to stay still. Pisces thinks I'm just another rock. I can see them swimming right between my legs.
Yes, I caught one. Look at this beautiful fish. I finally did it. And he disappeared. Apparently my hands have become too slippery. Hey friends, subscribe to my channel.